Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Berachain token. Now this token is getting a lot of brand new central exchange listings starting tomorrow, February 6th. And we're going to talk about how you can get this token. We're going to go over the information on this token, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Berachain is a high-performance Ethereum virtual machine identical layer 1 blockchain utilizing proof of liquidity, POL. POL consensus to align liquidity and security at the network level up, built on top of the modular EVM-focused consensus client framework named Beacon Kit. So this token here has a Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here at Berachain. And yeah, so it uses proof of liquidity, and it says backed by, and then it's got some companies there like Polychain. It has a link to their webpage right there as well, berachain.com. Over there you're going to find tons of info. Gold verified checkmark, 744 tweets, and they're creeping up on 1 million X followers here. 972.2 thousand Twitter followers, so they're doing very well on the socials here. And this token basically is being listed all over the place. One way to get this token, it says Mexc Global Initial New Listing Alert. The Berachain token will be listed tomorrow, February 6th, 15 hours UTC time, in the assessment zone on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Bera, B-E-R-A, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. And going on today also, there's a deposit and trade to share event for this token specifically. It says spread the word now and win a share of 100 Bera. And that ends February 11th. So you could check out that airdrop event too on Mexc. And today there's tons of very big Mexc projects being listed, and tomorrow as well. So make sure you check out all the other videos on this channel of very popular Mexc tokens here. So yeah, Berachain is a high-performance EVM identical layer 1 blockchain using proof of liquidity built on top of the modular EVM-focused consensus client framework Beacon Kit. Berachain's execution layer is identical to the EVM runtime environment seen on the Ethereum mainnet, and this means that it uses existing unmodified execution clients like Ref, Aragon, Nethermind, etc., and even more to handle executing smart contracts, and supports all of the tooling that comes native with the EVM. Identical means that whenever the EVM is upgraded, Berachain can adopt the latest version, for example, Deacon, straight out of the box, and this includes compatibility with all RPC namespaces and endpoints. and any improvements made to execution clients could be applied immediately to the Berachain. So there's proof of liquidity. Now, proof of liquidity radically changes the way L1 economics are structured, prioritizing users and applications over validator rewards at baseline. Network incentives go towards enriching ecosystem liquidity, contributing to efficient trading, price stability, securing the chain, and increasing the network user growth. And POL strongly aligns the incentives of network participants like validators, protocols, users, and contributors to the overall long-term health of the chain. Beyond providing seamless day one utility, the native dApps such as Bera Swap serve as reference implementations of how developers can build on top of a proof of liquidity. Now, Beacon Kit is a modular framework developed by Berachain for building EVM consensus clients, and it integrates the benefits of Comet BFT consensus, including increased composability, single slot finality, and more. And you could read more about what Beacon Kit is too on their document section. Their webpage is berachain.com. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of their webpage, there's docs.berachain.com listed on there as well. And so it says there's this whole section here about how to connect a wallet with Berachain. So it says blockchain wallets are what allows you and only you to access your assets on Berachain. Wallets enable this by allowing you to create and store your private keys, which can then be used to prove that you can access the wallets and do such things like trade tokens, buy NFTs, play games, and more. So it shows you how to do that. The supported wallets are MetaMask, Rabby, Coinbase Wallet, Brave Wallet, and Frame. And they tell you how to set up a MetaMask wallet on the paper as well. They talk about how to get Berachain tokens. Now, I saw today on X that basically like this token is being listed like all over the place. Just one example was Mexc Global, but it's also being listed on BITRUE. There is a BITRUE referral code down there. I believe CoinEx Global as well. CoinEx Global referral code down there, and many, many more. There's also governance for this project. And the native dApps are the Bera Swap. We already talked about that, but there's the Bera Scan Block Explorer. There's also Honey Swap because, you know, bears like honey. And there's the Bera Hub. So check it all out, berachain.com. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token and many others are being listed today and tomorrow. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.